Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Article 110, definition of money bills. Clause 1. For the purpose of this chapter, a bill shall be deemed to be a money bill if it contains only provisions dealing with all or any of the following matters, namely A. The imposition, abolition, remission, alteration, or regulation of any tax. B. The regulation of the borrowing of money or the giving of any guarantee by the government of India or the amendment of the law with respect to any financial obligation undertaken or to be undertaken by the government of India. C. The custody of the Consolidated Fund or the Contingency Fund of India, the payment of monies into or the withdrawal of monies from any such fund. D. The appropriation of monies out of the Consolidated Fund of India. E. The declaring of any expenditure to the expenditure charged on the Consolidated Fund of the India or the increasing of the amount of any such expenditure. F. The receipt of money on account of the Consolidated Fund of India or the public account of India or the custody or issue of such money or the audit of the accounts of the union or of a state. Or G. Any matter incidental to any of the matters specified in subclauses A to F. Clause 2. A bill shall not be deemed to be a money bill by reason only that it provides for the imposition of fines or other pecuniary penalties or for the demand or payment of fees or for licenses or fees for services rendered or by reasons that it provides for the imposition, abolition, remission, alteration, or regulation of any tax by any local authority or body for local purposes. Clause 3. If any question arises whether a bill is a money bill or not, the decision of the Speaker of the House of the People thereon shall be final. Clause 4. There shall be endorsed on every money bill when it is transmitted to the Council of States under Article 109, and when it is presented to the President of Assent under Article 111, the certificate of the Speaker of the House of the People signed by him that it is a money bill. So this article defines money bill. A bill shall be considered as a money bill only if it deals with the any matter mentioned in subclauses A to G and stated as following: the imposition, abolition, remission, alteration, or regulation of any tax. Here it is given. Mm, the regulation of the borrowing of money by the union government. Third, the custody of the Consolidated Fund of India or the Contingency Fund of India, the payment of monies into or the withdrawal of money from any such fund. Fourth, the appropriation of monies out of the Consolidated Fund of India. Fifth, the declaration of any expenditure charged on the Consolidated Fund of India or increasing the amount of any such expenditure. Sixth, the receipt of money on account of the Consolidated Fund of India or the public account of India or the custody or issue of such money or the audit of the accounts of the union of a state. Or seventh, any matter incidental to any of the matters specified above. A bill is not a money bill when it provides for first, imposition of fines or other pecuniary penalties. Second, demand or payment of fees for licenses or fees for services rendered. Or third, imposition, abolition, remission, alteration, or regulation of any tax by any local authority or body for local purposes. If any question arises whether a bill is a money bill or not, the decision of the Speaker of the Lok Sabha is final. When a bill is transmitted to the Rajya Sabha for recommendation and presented to the President for assent, it is the prerequisite that the Speaker endorses it as a money bill. So the Speaker's decision is not immune from judicial review, as said in Roger Matthew versus South Indian Bank Limited 2020. It was held that the decision of the Speaker under Article 110, Clause 3, Article 110, Clause 3, to certify a bill as a money bill is not immune from judicial review. There is a clear distinction between an irregularity of procedure or and substantive legality. The certificate of the Speaker under Article 110, Clause 3 is not conclusive insofar as judicial review is concerned. So, the judicial review can be taken of the Speaker's decision.